Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Here's a step-by-step guide to achieve that logo shine effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Add lighting effect, go to the Effects panel, search for Lighting Effects, and drag it onto your logo layer. Adjust ambience intensity. With the layer selected, go to the Effects Controls panel and set the ambience intensity to 100 under the Lighting Effects tab. Create a mask. Click on the rectangle mask tool and draw a long, stretched rectangle over your logo where you want the shine effect to start. Keyframe mask path. In the Effects Controls panel, keyframe the mask path to animate the mask across your logo. Click on Mask 1 to reveal the mask. Animate the mask. Go back to the preview window and drag the mask over the logo to the other side. Adjust the keyframes to control the speed and timing of the shine effect. Fine-tune. Use the effects control settings to tweak the look of the shine effect to your liking. And that's it. If you found this useful, make sure to give thumbs up and subscribe.